Good morning, Pilipinas. It's day 19 of our 21-day vlogging challenge before my life starts at 40. Okay, so I'm here at the office. Okay, and thank you kay Jerome kasi na-preserve niya tayo dito sa room na to. So, medyo ako lang, no? So, yun. So, I am blessed, awesome, and winning. Medyo bubulong lang tayo today kasi syempre nasa loob tayo ng office. But yun nga, no? And nasa training tayo actually. Nasa training pa tayo. Nasa training pa tayo. So, medyo soft spoken na tayo ngayon. Alright, so yun. So, um, grabe yung start of the day. No, galing ako ng may kawayan and it just reminded me of, alam mo yun, to be humble, to ground and center. Kasi, syempre, grabe palang pagpunta mo. Traffic na. Tapos, medyo toxic pa yung yung angkas rider ko. Yung move it. So, malilate pa ako. Muntik pa ako malate sa meeting ko. Sa training ko actually. So, sabi ko, Lord, give me patience, give me i-ground and center niyo po ako. Sabi ko ganun talaga. Kasi, grabe. If this is old me, siguro, nag-walk out na ako or what, no? But, I just paused and, alam mo yun, inisip ko muna yung mga bagay-bagay. Will my reaction, magiging reactive ba ako? Will my reaction be honoring God? No? Muntik na naman ako pumitik, but yun nga, we need to shift agad-agad, no? With that emotion. Kasi kapag yung emotions yung inuna mo, no? Wala na. Didiscarrel ka na all throughout your the day. So, magiging bad vibes ka na and all. And yung bad vibes mo, matatransfer mo pa sa ibang tao and mapapasa niya na may papasa. Why not, diba, na dun pa lang sa'yo mismo, i-stop mo na yung ganong bad vibes, no? But, yeah, no. So, learn to shift agad kasi baka may pinagdadaanan lang yung ibang tao, no? Since you are more aware, self-aware of the things that is happening, no? Ikaw yung mas may malaking responsibility to be a responsible to be accountable of your own feelings, diba? So, yun. So, kapag shift tayo agad, so, saya na may aura natin, no? Everything is going into create alam mo yun, smooth na naman yung araw natin, and I believe that talagang, alam mo yun, maging maayos tong araw na to. Today is our day 19 and hindi tayo susuko dun sa commitment natin, no? Ayan, so right now, as usual, no, let's go with what's in our bag, no? Bag, blessings. What I am thankful for. Of course, yesterday, no? Thankful tayo dahil sa bahay lang tayo. Doon tayo nag-work. And thankful because naging maayos yung training natin, first day natin, diba? And thankful ako sa mga trainers natin in this dahil maraming na dagdag na knowledge sa akin, and thankful ako kasi may mga bago akong nakilala, no? sometimes, no, kahit BH na tayo, we have that title, no. It's, alam mo yun, yung hindi mo nilalagay sa ulo mo yung title mo, no. Kaya, yun, nakakatuwa lang yung mga naging ka-Zoom meeting ko and mga group parang sa breakout room, no. So ayun, so masaya lang, no, and I'm grateful talaga na I'm having this kind of parang alam mo yun, yung nagsisimula ka ulit because it reminds me to be humble. And one of my core values sa team namin is humility. Alright? So yun. So, ayan. So happy. No? And blessed for all the blessings talaga na natanggap natin kahapon. And accomplishments yan. Yeah. One of which, syempre yun nga, nakapag-training tayo. Yes. Tapos, at the middle of the training, no, nakapag-interview pa tayo ng dalawa. Yes. Ito na yung hope that yun nga, yung dalawa nating nakausap na FA will really join, no, Manulife because this company gives them a better opportunity, no, kahit bagong graduate lang sila, no. So yes, and for the goals that is this day, no, syempre training pa rin tayo, day 2 of Aspire and JSP, no, Jumpstart program, no. So training ulit and at the same time may mga UH tayong interviewin, no. Hindi alam ng trainer ko na meron akong interview pero mawawala ako mamaya, but yun na nga, no. Hindi naman mawawala, but of course lang ako on the side na sa meeting namin with the UH, no, andun pa rin naman ako to check on my UH candidate, but I will focus syempre dito sa training ko, diba? Pero yun, those are the things that I will be doing today. Hopefully, no, makausap pa rin tayo ng iba na magiging leader ng branch ko, no. So yun, so ayan, basta matuto lang tayo talaga mag-shift agad and let's stay ground and center, no, para hindi tayo maging reactive dun sa mga situation na hindi maganda, no. So it's me again, Teng, no, and I hope everyone, no, will have a great Tuesday. So choose to be kind, and always choose to be kind, always, and learn how to shift agad-agad. Alright, so that's it for now. This is me, Teng, wishing you a great Tuesday, and I love you all.